not sure I trust you here. Llegaron. Tenés que ir a chequear que llegaron.
Alright guys, I'll explain to you. Sople, please. I'll explain to you guys what you need to know, guys. It seems that the water pressure is very high. Alright, very important, guys. Alright, so you all have a figure eight on your side and you have a pair of gloves, alright? If you can take off the gloves, it's good. If you can't, I'll take it off, so don't worry. So let me explain to you guys. So the first thing, guys, you gotta do is left hand holds in the front like this at all times. Your right hand goes behind you, right? Like this, behind your waist at all times. Keep it always behind your hip, like that, okay? What you gotta do, guys, to move down, you gotta keep your feet apart at all times. Don't put it together. What happens is that if you keep this rope and your feet together in line like that, it's gonna drop you. It's gonna swing you to wherever you want to take you. So this is the way you gotta keep your legs, alright? Your feet apart gives you the good balance so that you don't fall. Another thing, guys, don't lean too much backwards or don't go too much forward because you can come forward into the rock. It's slippery. If you notice where you're coming across, it's very slippery. So lean back and open your feet, legs feet apart like that. Lean back, your right hand behind, your left hand in front like this. What you gotta do is to step, you won't step far apart. If you step like that, what happens? You can come forward again, or you can go backwards. Right? So when you're stepping, it's stepping together, feeding the rope, pulling it, and you move. Alright? Yeah? Easy? Got it? Yeah, just forward. And always look back, see where you're going. Very important to look back, see where you're heading. Alright? Hold the rope.
These are like small gloves.
Yeah. When you get in the water, wet them a little bit. You ready?
Yeah.
Off you go. Pull the rope forward.
Alright.
Yeah, that's it. Feet apart. Watch where you're going, okay? Watch where you're headed. You gotta watch where you're going. No, it's just to see where you're headed, see? Watch where you're headed, buddy. Watch where you're stepping at. You gotta see. Left. Left, go ahead. Lean back.
Where you leave?
I want you to pass it.
Alright, hold on. Want me to go over?
Yeah, all over. You're already here. Back.
So go under?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yes, sir. This is easy, man.
I gotta get used to that back and forth.
Leaning back is the main thing.
Huh?
You didn't lean back that much, but you didn't.
I was trying to lean back because I see where I was at. You gotta pull, you gotta push and pull at the same time. And I still do the bigger one. And we at the waterfall, just rappelled on this side of this mountain right here. The waterfall. So you don't know where you're coming at. Huh? Yeah,